Yes, man. Regular people like you and me, you see, we need a bed to sleep in, and we also like to sleep in a horizontal position. Usually at the end of the day. But then you have the not so regular that are among us, and this is how they do it.
See this? Without a grave digging, a man there asleep. Turn up, man, turn up and sleep. Yeah. Don't wake him. Man, turn up and sleep. You never see this? History. Beaver God!
Something alright?
Proof of aliens? Possibly. Make we examine why me say this. The boss asleep in his sun. Under the heat I sun. The boss asleep in a daylight. Whole heap of brightness that. The boss asleep on one grave digging site. If you know nothing about grave digging site, especially in a Jamaica, whole heap of noise I make right this. And the most puzzling of them all, the boss asleep while he must stand up. How? If me try to shut me eye, me not even I go sleep. Me just shut me eye and stand up. I can feel gravity pulling me closer to the ground. This man just fold up himself well neat and start sleep. A alien that. If you man know an alien is one alien inside him brain, we shut down all systems and probably gone for a lunch break.
Man, turn up and sleep. You never see this? History. Beaver God!
But I've got to change the nickname. They call him Sleeper God. I mean, I think to myself, oh, if you brush him, he probably wake up quick.
Touch him, touch him, touch him, Google. Touch him, touch him.
As you can see, I slap him and that never work. If he sleeps so deep vertically, you can imagine when the man they drop asleep horizontally, they probably think I'm dead in dead.
Oh, clock. Are you serious?
If you know somebody that sleeps like this, standing, report them to your ministry of security. I hear that.
Man, turn up and sleep. You never see this? History. Beaver God!
Or befriend them so that you might be spared when the aliens attack. They might take you in as a pet.
History. Beaver God!
Narcolepsy at its finest. If you know your videos and your video suggestions, hit the like button, hit the share button, and definitely subscribe. This is K2KShorts. You think it, you believe it, and you live to achieve it.